how to unlink email from Roblox. So what we want to do is log in into our Roblox account here on roblox.com, then click on the gear icon in the top right and go to settings. Once we have gone to settings here, you will be able to see email address and whether you have verified it or not. And if you want to unlink this email address, then we'll just click on this paper and pencil icon. And it will show us this, change my email. The account email will not change until the new email has been verified. So here you will have to type out a new email address and then log in into that email, and you want to confirm the Roblox account or email change here. So basically type out your email address, you will click on change email. It will send you an email, and then you will open up that email and you want to just confirm that it is indeed you and that you are changing the email, and that's how you will unlink this previous one. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.